Hello. Many people think that he should learn how to use R or Python but doesn't have enough time. But you have the time. Probably learning a few tools is enough for you. For example, I'm using R for econometrics. So learning how to upload an Excel document and using a few codes is enough for me. It solves my problem. So let's see how to upload a document from Excel. On the right side, there is global environment. And under global environment, there is import. Here, please click on it from Excel. Then this page comes, browse, and select the related Excel document here. iProindex is my document that I need to upload. Then if you have got a few sheets in the Excel document, you can select any of them here. So I'm selecting sheet 1, then import. So now I have my data on my system. Let's open our script. It's a new empty1. Here on the right one, here is my empty new R script. You should name it like Begin English. So beginning. So I need to have a few objects from this document. So firstly, let's give a name like AA is the only name that I give it. But I need to save here is from the data. So I'm writing this Excel data's name here. Then I put a symbol of US dollars, and when I put the sign of US dollars, it it helps me to select any variable that I want to be here. So let's select close. So these are the closing price of the index, and then run. That's all. Now AA is an object here. You see on the right side. Bye bye.